Hello friends, welcome to this get to know me sort of tag video. Hopefully by the end of this video you guys know a little bit more about me and what you can expect from this channel. Let's begin. My name is Arnav, as you've already heard. I was born back home in India and migrated to Australia in 2013. I was 9 years old back then, and by then I had already picked up my cultural language, so I am bilingual. My favorite color is blue. Leave yours down in the comment section below. I also have a little brother. His name is Harshu. Moving on to my hobbies, unsurprisingly, I love cricket, always have, probably something to do with my Indian genes. I also love books, have gotten into them recently in the last year and a half. Love photography and videography, hence this channel. I also have a photography account on the screen now, if you guys want to go check it out. Over this past year, I've also got into running. I hate running, but I can't talk bad about it because it's what got me into shape. It's a great exercise, so if anyone's trying to lose weight, just run. I love all sports really, except like, I can't think of any. I love all sports. I love hanging out with my mates. I'm in a love-hate relationship with ice cream. Lastly, I love trying new things, experiences, habits that can potentially better my life or put me outside of my comfort zone. Videos on them coming soon. There you go. Now you know a little bit about me. If I've missed anything or you want to know anything more, feel free to DM me. My Instagram's on the screen and in the description down below. Moving on to my channel and my reasons for starting it, I think these are really important for me to establish publicly so you guys and me looking back at this video can keep myself in check in the future. My main reason for starting this YouTube channel is that it's so far outside of my comfort zone that it's a way for me to grow. Having these recorded and on the internet for me and publicly anyone to look back on, I think is great. I'm also recording these videos and starting this YouTube channel back home for my grandparents. As I told you earlier, I migrated here 7 years ago, and even though I call and FaceTime my grandparents pretty often, I think they really missed out seeing me grow, like from a third person view. Like a hidden motive for this channel is to let my grandparents like back into my life a bit closer. I don't know if that makes sense. Secondly, I love photography, videography, entrepreneurship, and I think this channel is a way for me to grow and get better at those skills, which I know will come handy down the line because we live in a digital age which is only continuing to grow exponentially. I can never pronounce that word. And my third and final reason is that I myself personally love these student lifestyle channels, but what I've realized is most of these creators are either from the UK or the US, except like Sebastian Pry, I don't know how to pronounce his last name, but most of these creators are from either the US or the UK, and most of them are medical students. And I love watching these people's videos because I feel like I can resonate with them and I can follow their journey, and it really is motivating for me. There aren't many people doing this in Australia right now, or not that I know of. If you guys know of student lifestyle YouTubers that are in Australia, please leave a comment down below. And if I can even, influence one person by sharing my journey or creating these videos and change their life, like YouTubers such as Ali Abdal, Karma Medic, Sebastian Pry, Sean Rizwan, Kelly Wakasa, Elliot Choi, all these YouTubers have been creating these videos and have impacted my life in a huge way. Elliot Choi, Kelly Wakasa, Sean Rizwan have really inspired my creativity as well as making videos. Karma Medic, Ali Abdal, they've helped me exponentially in my schooling life. So I think by making these videos, even if I can help anyone in any aspect of their life, then it's worth it. Shout out to all the guys that I just said earlier. Their links will be in the description below. These select few creators are the reason I've made this YouTube channel. So yeah, a huge shout out to them for inspiring me and motivating me to step outside of my comfort zone and start this YouTube channel. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you made it till the end, let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.